What's up, baddies? So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I define my curls and give myself the wet look from this. Also, please don't judge the lace. So first, for this, you're going to need a Denman brush and a spray bottle with water in it. So the first thing I like to do is part my hair into half and put away one side. And then I separate the other half into another half. So it's a total of 4 sections. As you can see, child, this is just tangly or entangled. So I'm gonna try to get my hair as wet as I can without like soaking it, but we just want it super saturated with water. And then I brush through with my Denman brush. I like to start at the bottom and work my way up to avoid as much shedding as possible. So next I work on the next section doing the same thing. And I will be sure to link all the things that I use in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. And I really think that using a Denman brush definitely helps define your curls a little better than using like a regular brush. So now that we have gotten majority of our hair sprayed with the water, I'm going to go in with my Tresemme Flawless Curls mousse. And I'm going to run that through my hair. And I like to get my hair as wet as possible so that I can use as little as product as I can with still achieving the results that I want. And it also helps the product flow through the hair better and easier. And after, this is how your hair will look. Your hair will literally dry like this, and it'll stay like this all day. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like and comment, and make sure you guys subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Bye, baddies.